MC. Thank you, the major sponsor for this Coca-Cola game 2026, and of course the organizers of the game. For the Fiji Police Force, our posture and strategy on the ground remains the same. Otherwise, it's slightly increased the momentum this year with a few of the changes that we have learned from past years, that to improve and make sure the environment for the Coca-Cola game 2026 is safe to all the 150 schools that are already staged in Suva, with 2,000 plus athletes, parents, and well-wishers to the games that they're coming down to our capital city. For checking at the main gate for this year, we will include the check of all vehicles that will be moving in and out of our main stadium. This was not done in past years, but is included in our security alignment this year. The number of officers looking after the game has also increased from 150 to 200. It includes the inner cordon, which is the stadium itself, and also the center and the outer cordon, or the whole of Suva. We are not going to only concentrate in the inner cordon, which is here. We will be also concentrating on the spillover after the games, and to make sure that the notorious activities of our students in past years does not happen. That normally happens outside the venue when they break off from here. So we are securing all places that we have now noted that probably convene places for the students after the games. These are being properly contained this year to make sure that the rivalries does not happen at any time throughout the game for 2026. Otherwise, we are working closely with Fiji Secondary School and also the major sponsors and all other stakeholders that are together with us to make sure it is incident-free and everybody enjoy the Coca-Cola game for 2026. Thank you.